Hello, well this is me, beginning of a drawing of me. Look at that lovely moustache. I do like a moustache because I am from France. And there's me completed. I may not be the best looking person in the world, but I'm very good at maths, and that's really what matters. So again, this is me. Je m'appelle René Descartes, and you probably do because you're intelligent, know that in French that means my name is René Descartes, and if I'm speaking French then that probably means I'm from France, but of course you can call me René. Let's put a cheeky face, shall we? Yeah, nice. So I'm going to do a Draw My Life video, explaining some of the achievements which I'm proud of in my life and some of the things that happened to me. So I was born in 1596, that was in the Tudor era. Although I was in France, so there was no Tudors or Henry VIII or anything. But I loved doing maths and philosophy. But let's talk about my maths career. And look, we got a French flag. I do love the French flag, being French. Let's rezoom in. Nice. So I've always thought maths and philosophy are linked. In philosophy you can have lots of different opinions, but maths is the only opinion which stays the same. Only maths is certain, is my quote, which I use a lot. So this is a cannon which I'm drawing, and I've drawn it to basically symbolise that I was actually in the military. It was fashionable to do them in the military in France in my era, so of course I did, and I was in the army. And watch this explodes. Ready, 3, 2, 1, kaboom! There it was, and inside this explosion we'll find some of the achievements which I did, this being the Cartesian plane here. I'm just going to show a graph of y equals x squared. This plane I did come up with, I'll talk a little about later, but I also wrote a very famous book called La Géométrie. Let's put it in a book, shall we? Oh yeah, there we go. And if we zoom into this x squared with some cheeky editing, and cut, you never noticed a thing, we'll see that I actually came up with the annotation for the powers. So x squared, that was me, I came up with it, of putting the 2 at the top, so I'm very proud of that. But I also, and not many people know this, but I did, come up with the standard notation of algebra, so having x and y, letters at the end of the alphabet, meaning unknown variables. Of course, this links to my next discovery and the one I'm most proud of. And let's do that line in orange, looks a lot better. There we go. Lovely. And if we zoom up, we'll see that I developed the Cartesian coordinate system. Cartesian, of course, being quite clever of me, it's actually my name in Latin, which I'm quite proud of. I always like to quote myself. Now, unfortunately, I did die, and it was in Sweden, so let's draw one of my famous grids to show this. Now, the Princess of Sweden invited me over to Sweden to do some maths for her, and in the mornings she'd invite me to do some maths, and I had to get up very early in order to do it. Unfortunately, it was very cold, so if I draw this minus x squared, and I got pneumonia and died because of the cold, which is a shame, so RIP me. But anyway, I'm René Descartes, and thank you for watching my Draw My Life.